Here at Pleasureway Industries, you'll notice our unique construction philosophy strays far away from most recreational vehicle manufacturers. Each decision we make roots from our commitment to quality and reliability. From selecting the most tried and true raw materials to hand-fitting our custom interiors piece by piece, we refuse to sacrifice quality and safety for time and cost savings.
Pleasureway's manufacturing process spreads across 4 separate plants where the chassis move from station to station and raw materials are crafted into the unique features found in their motorhomes. On average, it takes 6 weeks and over 400 man-hours to complete just one motorhome. You won't find an assembly line at Pleasureway Industries. They don't use this popular and time-saving method of manufacturing. Rather, each motorhome is built with the meticulous care and attention it deserves. This meticulous attention to detail and build quality is exemplified in the Pleasureway Mill Shop. Here, Pleasureway's skilled craftspeople transform raw material, like hardwood maple, into stunning component pieces like Style and Rail maple doors. The CNC router is used to precisely cut materials such as corian and component parts such as wall partitions, face frames, and end gables. These parts are generated from Pleasureway CAD designs and are precisely cut to be assembled at later stages of production. Pleasureway uses sturdy 7-ply plywood for all interior framing. Plywood is far superior to particle board and MDF and results in exceptionally strong shelving and solid wall partitions. Baltic birch plywood is used to construct the drawer boxes because of its high density, stiff composition, and strength. This is important as full extension ball-bearing drawer glides are used, which requires precise installation. The individual components that comprise the kitchen are also constructed with solid plywood, which gets glued, covered with laminate, and fastened together with screws, not staples. Screws are used to achieve significant structural integrity and prevent rattles and squeaks while traveling. Beautiful handcrafted cabinetry is one of Pleasureway's hallmarks. Construction of custom cabinetry starts with raw hardwood maple planks being ripped, shaped, and cut to exact measurements for each motorhome. The doors are then assembled with mortise and tenon joints, which are glued, compressed, and then clamped to provide a superior solid maple cabinet door. During the final finishing stage, each door goes through 3 phases of hand sanding. The sandpaper grit used continually gets finer with each stage. On average, it takes over 22 hours to finish one set of cabinet doors for each and every coach. The doors are completed with a hand staining process where high-quality, water-based stains and lacquers are applied. Once all the component pieces are finished in the mill shop, they are taken to plant number 1 to be installed. While most recreational vehicles are built on assembly lines, where the walls and roof are installed last, Pleasureway builds their motorhomes in individual stalls. One dedicated cabinet craftsman will build and install the entire coach cabinetry himself. In order to refine and master his craft, each installer will build on the same chassis make and model for several years. These skilled craftsmen hand-fit, measure, and template the individual pieces into the interior masterpiece you see. Even though all chassis of a particular make and model appear to be identical, there can be slight tolerance differences in the body of up to 1 inch. That is why this intensive method of construction has been implemented and perfected. As a result, Pleasureway's custom cabinetry precisely hugs the interior walls, creating a high-quality, luxurious interior. Pleasureway is proud to say that they build their motorhomes to last, and their manufacturing process reflects that. Wall partitions, end gables, and upper cabinets are all screwed together and fastened with steel angle brackets for exceptional strength and quality. Cabinets are anchored into the coach floor and wall blocking that is adhered to the inside wall to ensure their strength. In the final stages of the cabinetry install, the doors are prepped with Bloom, European hinges, and Hayfella door stays. This hardware provides a clean, contemporary appearance along with superior quality. After the doors are hung, the craftsman finally adjusts the position of each to ensure they are completely flush and opening smoothly.
At Pledgeway, we understand that quality and beauty require time to achieve, and we don't believe in sacrificing either for economy. The methods of production we use reflect our refusal to compromise quality and embody the precise attention to detail found in Pledgeway motorhomes. This is what sets us far above the rest of the competition.